So here we go, the start of the Story Power workshop experience, the story room experience. We're filming today in Colaiste Dhulaigh in Coolock as part of a reflective workshop space with students there. Thank you very much for Colaiste Dhulaigh for giving us the opportunity to develop the Story Power project further. Trevor, my erstwhile colleague and story mentor, is going to deliver the workshop. I will be the cameraman today. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully the footage is decent enough. Bit nervous, looking forward, hoping it goes well, and grateful for the opportunity to connect and develop the Story Power project further with the story room experience. This video is going to be the making of, and I better hurry up or else it's going to be late. So just a shout out to everybody. Thanks very much for your support so far of the Story Power project.
Various different roles in the industry. I've worked as a screenwriter, I've worked as a story editor, as a series consultant, as a producer. I've worked in shows as varied as late night dramas, soap opera and animation. Participate in what we call the story room. And the story room it's not really that complicated. You start each day with a blank whiteboard and you work as a team and you generate the content for the series. So the idea of the story room experience is to give people a taste of what it's like to participate in that experience, is to get the building blocks of the story up and running. So
Hello.